Unlocking the Secrets of the Universe, a beginner's guide to black holes. Welcome to the mysterious and fascinating world of black holes. These colossal, enigmatic objects have captured the imaginations of scientists and the general public alike for centuries. But what exactly are black holes and how do they form? In this video, we'll explore the key properties of black holes and how they shape the universe around us. The birth of a black hole. A black hole is an extremely dense region of space with an incredibly strong gravitational pull. So strong, in fact, that nothing can escape it, not even light. This is why black holes are invisible to telescopes. Black holes are formed when a massive star dies and its core collapses under the weight of its own gravity. There are three main types of black holes: stellar black holes, intermediate black holes, and supermassive black holes, and the different processes by which they are formed. The smallest ones, stellar black holes, are formed by the collapse of individual stars. The intermediate and supermassive black holes are still under research, and scientists are trying to understand how they form. The search for the invisible. While black holes are invisible, scientists have developed ways to detect them. By observing the behavior of stars and gas in its vicinity, and by measuring the gravitational effects of a black hole, scientists can infer the presence of a black hole. Another method used to detect black holes is the study of gravitational waves, the ripples in space-time caused by the collision of two black holes. This method has led to many recent discoveries, and scientists are expecting many more in the future with the upcoming space-based gravitational wave detector, LISA. The power of a black hole. Black holes have a profound impact on the universe around them. As they devour nearby matter, they shape the evolution of galaxies and even influence the fate of entire star systems. Scientists are still studying the impact of black holes on the universe, but the potential implications of their findings for our understanding of the universe are far-reaching and intriguing. Conclusion: the secrets of the universe. We've explored the key properties of black holes and how they shape the universe around us. But there is still much we don't know about these mysterious objects. The more we learn, the more we realize how much we have yet to discover. Thanks for joining us on this journey into the depths of the unknown. Who knows what secrets these cosmic giants may hold? Don't forget to follow us and learn more about black holes and the universe.